Hey guys, my name's Nikita. I have had androgenic alopecia for the last 14 years and I wear wigs and hair toppers every day. Delving into the world of hair toppers can be super overwhelming, so let's look at two of the most common types of hair toppers you'll see on the market, lace top and silk top. Now silk top is the most durable cap construction because it has multiple layers of fabric. As you can see there, it has that silk top which creates a really natural looking part line, and because there's multiple layers of fabric, you don't get visible knots of the hair, which makes it look really realistic. You can also part it wherever you like. I'm going to show you two ways of wearing this piece. The first way is to wear it right at the front of your hairline so none of your hair is visible, and the second is to blend it in with your own hair. As you can see, that is a closed front, which means I wouldn't be able to wear my hair back like that, but when it's down you can't really notice. It still looks quite nice and natural. Down and up, I'm going to show you a couple of different styles. You can see that it looks really nice even though I've put it right at the front of my hair and haven't blended my hair into it. So the second option is blending it into my hair. And that's the way that they recommend you wear silk toppers. When I do blend it in like this, what I do is pop it a little bit further back. I bring some of my bio hair out the front and I use some clingy fibers in just to color match it into my hair. So what I tend to do is I either wear it up or I twist my bio hair into the hair topper, which kind of creates a seamless transition. So I'm about to show you that hair, and it just looks a little bit more natural for me than having it just sitting to the front there. It just creates a bit more of a natural hairline, so I really prefer to wear it like that when I wear this piece, or just wearing it right at the front of my hair. So next up we have our lace topper. Now lace toppers can be parted anywhere as well, so just changing that part really easy with a comb and then just using a blow dryer to seal that new part in place. You can see that the lace top is a lot thinner and a lot kind of more flimsy. Now the pros of this is that it sits really flat, it's really low density and cool, and it has a really natural hairline because that hair goes right to the front of the lace, which means if you have a receding hairline you can wear this right at the front of your hair and it's going to look super natural, or you can blend it in with your hair like I do. So that's the comparison between lace top and silk top. Everyone's going to have their own personal preference, and it comes down to multiple things. Are you going to be having bangs in your piece? What kind of climate are you living in? There's multiple factors that come into play when you're choosing lace versus silk top, and personally for me, lace top is just a lot more my kind of style, and that's just what I tend to reach for. And as you can see, wearing toppers up is so nice and natural because you get your own natural hairline at the nape of the neck there.